The Jamaicans get out well. It's Shericka Jackson, Shelly and Fraser, Pryce.
And now the topic is about Elaine, Shelly, and Shericka Jackson. Now there have been a lot of rumors contemplating on the social media, spreading on the social media, that the chances of Shelly, Shericka, and Elaine going to the Paris Olympic might be cut short. And the reason was because recently Jamaica have witnessed a very huge number of rising female athletes. I'm talking about people like Natasha Morrison, Brian Lightson, and so many young bright athletes that might possibly have a chance of upsetting the big three at the Paris Olympic trials, the Jamaican national trials, which will be taking place very, very soon. But I'm really doubting the possibility of the whole big three athlete, Shelly, Shericka, and Elaine, not qualifying for the Jamaican trials. But I have a strong belief that maybe among the big three, one of the big three might not qualify for the Paris Olympic. Yes, one of the big three, she might not have the opportunity to qualify at the Jamaican trials. And the reason is definitely because of the rising stars we are seeing from Jamaica. Like I said earlier on, we have Natasha Morrison, Alana Red, we have the Clinton twins, we have Brian Lightson. This athlete, and also not forgetting Brian Williams, these names of athlete I just mentioned, they have a very huge opportunity of having a chance. They have a chance to beat one of the big three and make her disqualified. Yes, I don't know who that athlete is going to be among the big three, whether it is Shelly and Fraser Pryce, Elaine Thomson, Herah, or Shericka Jackson. I really don't know for now. And the truth is, I can't really choose or call the name of one of the big three athletes. Then I feel like the uprising and upcoming athlete are going to defeat at the upcoming Jamaican national trials. Definitely the Jamaican national trials is going to be a very wonderful experience. It's going to be amazing and exciting because we have been waiting for it. The Jamaican national trials is going to expose the athletes that are ready for Paris Olympic and the athletes that are not ready. Yes, it is going to expose everything, whether Shelly is ready or not, whether Shericka Jackson is ready or not, whether Elaine Thomson Herah is ready or not. Everything will be exposed at the Jamaican national trials coming, I think, June, July. So it's definitely going to be exciting, and I can't wait to see what is going to happen. And like I said, there is a huge opportunity of some of the upcoming uprising young talent, upsetting one of the big three. So that is why I make the title of this video No Big Three in the Paris Olympic, because if one of these big three eventually got upset at the Jamaican national trials, it means that we no longer have the big three. So you see the title of this video correspond with everything I'm saying in this video. And do not forget that recently I made a video, talking about the Jamaicans not really performing like so much in their races, and their times are so poor. And a lot of Jamaican fans dragged me and said that it's too early for me to just open my mouth and say that they are not performing, that it's too early. Well, the Jamaican trials anyway is going to expose every single thing. Let me hear your opinions, and don't forget to subscribe.